I'm going to do a couple of my own. So sorry about that.
What did you say that fateful morning? Who's to blame for what you said? I tried to be a modern man. You helped me understand. A man with faces on his arms told me to leave. What did I do to earn this generous reprieve? I walked along the floodlit docks, big copper birds administer the clocks. When all is left to those birds, so warm and dead are your hands. A precious thing to hear your words. Solemn verse describe the way I am to be.
This next one's called Breaks.
I need to tell you all the reason for my stay. My skin's like sandpaper, my hair is turning grey. I really need your help, a reason to exist. An exorcism of the ghosts that's living in my head. I thought I saw your face inside the coffee shop last week. My attitude towards you is habitually bleak. I put my hood up, then I turn to face the wall. Despite my cowardice, I really love you all. And I know I am you and you are me. We all possess the tools that'll set us free. To do as we please. I see you're eating well, there's color in your face. A setback is just that, my love, so quicken up the pace. Proceed with caution is advice you shouldn't take. You only get one go, so cut the wire on your brakes. If only last year's man could see what you've become. A pat on the back and a thank you for the fights that you have won. So take your hood back down and sit a while with me. The only real boundaries are the ones imposed by you. Part of me is stuck inside.